Hey there YouTube. So in this video, I wanted to cover the IRS Form 8868. This is an application for automatic extension to file an exempt org tax return. So if you're filing a Form 990 or a Form 990 PF for a private foundation, or maybe you're filing a Form 5227 for a trust, this is the form you'll need to file if you want to extend the deadline, the original deadline to file that tax return. So normally what you'll see is either a Form 4868 or a Form 7004. The Form 7004 here to extend the time to file a business tax return. You notice if you look in Part 1 here, you don't see any of the tax-exempt forms, right? So you got 706, 1041, 1120, and so on. You don't see 990 listed here, right? So if you're filing any kind of variation of the Form 990, you don't use this form. You use this form, the 8868. So the form, pretty straightforward to fill out. You just have the name of the exempt org above. In this example, we're doing the family office for the Avengers, right? So the Avengers Family Office, Inc., obviously not a real entity. Don't go ahead and Google this. We have the fake TIN number, the street address, and then the application for, we've indicated code 4, which indicates that it's a Form 990 PF. That's the type of tax-exempt org tax return we're filing for this entity. And then down here we complete in Part 1 the other eligible information. So it's tax year beginning the 1st of January 2020, ending at the end of the year. It's initial return, and so we're asking for an extension to November 15th, 2021 to file the tax return. So obviously pretty straightforward form to fill out. You just really want to make sure you file this on time, because anytime you file a tax return late, the likelihood is the IRS is going to assess some significant penalties, and that's money that could be better suited towards charitable uses. So make sure you're filing these forms on time, and then you should be all set and ready to go. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below on the video. Happy to answer those. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you so much.